and please note.
We are from BITCS1G2.
Project Group 2.
So this is demonstration of how our program will run. First, we reinitialize and load the file, and then we execute it. So the user is asked to input 10 random numbers. Then the program will output the numbers sorted in descending order, sum of all the numbers, the average of all the numbers, decimal point and remainder, and the maximum and the minimum number of the 10 random numbers.
Hello guys, this is our program. First we need to declare the variables. We have 9 variables here: array, input, order, sum, average, max, min, space, and decimal. Li, register V0 for, and the next line LA, register A0 input. This is for prints out from for input. And then LA, register S1 array, this is for loads array into register 1. Li, or load integer, register V05, this is for inputs any random numbers. Store word, register V00, register S1. Add I, register S1, register S1 plus 4. This is for moves array position 4 because 1 numbers equals to 4 byte. Adding 4 will move array pointer. Branch not equal, register T1 10. This is for loops input. T1 not equals to 10. LA, register S1, this is for array. Subs or subtract, register T1, register T1 minus register T1. This is for clear T1 equals to 0. Then we going for sorting numbers in descending order. So we will arrange them in descending order. Branch equal, register T2 9. This is for if T2 equals to 9, go to arrange because 9 because have 10 elements in it. Load word, register T3 0. This is for loads first element of array to register T3. Load word, register T4 4 bracket, register S1, this is for loads first element of array to register T4. Add I, register S1, register S1 plus 4, this is for moves array position. Add I, register T2, register T2 plus 1, this is for loops. Branch greater equal or VGE, register T3, register T4. If T3 greater than T4, go back to the order. Store word SW, register T3 0 bracket, register S1, this is for change position. This 2 line is for change position. Branch not equal or BNE, register T2 9. If T2 not equals to 9, we going back to the order. And then to arrange them, LA, load array, register S1, this is for arrange the number in descending order. Add I, register T1, register T1 plus 1, this is for counter. Add I, register T2, register T1 0, this is for updated by register T1. BNE, branch not equal, register T1 9. If T1 is not equal to 9, we going back to the order. Li register V04. This is for prints out from the order. This one, these two line. And then we load again array. Subtract register T1, register T1 minus register T1. This is for clear. Register T1 to 0. Then we will use it later. Reuse it later. To print the order, register. Load integer register V01. This is for prints out numbers sorted in descending order. Load word register A00 bracket register S1. This is for loads first value of array into register A0. And this one to print out the prompt. This space here, it is because in array we need to arrange them in one line, and then we need spacing between the number, the integers. That's why we need the space. Add I register S1 plus 4. We will move array position by adding 4. Adding register, add I register T1 plus 1. This is for counter loop. Branch not equal register T1 10. This is for print the order. If T1 not equals to 10, then go back to print order. Sub or subtract register T1, register T1, register T1. And the next line subtract or sub register T2, register T2, register T2. These both two lines to set back their register to become 0.
For calculate sum, use loop address array into register S1. Use for print out for sum. Loop address print sum into register A0. Declare sum. Load word error into register T5. Use add I to move array position. Add register T6, register T5, register T6 to do operation. Add. Use add I to counter for loop. B and E, register T1 10 and sum to go back to the sum. Move register T6 to register A0. Then load immediate to print out the sum. Use value 1 to print out. Calculate average. Use value 4 to print out, and load address to print out average string. And then use add to load T7 equal to 10. Use operation divide. Register T6 and register T7 to do operation T6 over 10. And then move the quotient to register S2. Move the remainder to register S3. And then move register S2 to register A0. And then use load immediate value 1 to print the quotient. And then use load immediate 4 to print out the decimal string, and then move register S3 to register A0, and then use value 1 to print out remainder.
Next, I'll explain about how our system will output the maximum number and the minimum number from the 10 random numbers inputted by the user. Firstly, we'll load array into $S1. Then we print out the string for max. The string of max is the maximum number is. Then we load the first element of array into register T7. Then we move register T7 to $A0. This is to output the maximum number. Then we'll print out the maximum number, li $V01, 1 because we have to print out the integer. Next, our program can also find the minimum number, li $V04. This will print out the string or prompt for min. The min string is the minimum number is. Then we load this string to A0 to print out the string. Next, we load the array, the numbers of the array into register T8. The next line, T8 will be moved for min. Again, we choose 1 because we have to print out the integer. Finally, the end of the program, li $V010 will exit the program. Thank you guys for watching this video.